Good morning, children. Today also we shall continue with this lesson 6, that is adjectives. Okay, so we shall continue. We were doing exercise D. Today we will continue with number 3. The blue whale is the biggest mammal. You see here this sentence. The blue whale is the biggest mammal. Now you see this sentence. This sentence is in the superlative degree. This sentence you have to write down because you see here the is there and with big, bigger, biggest. This is in the superlative degree. Biggest is in the superlative degree. This sentence you can say is in the superlative degree, and here we are using the. We use the in the superlative degree. So let us write down first that this sentence is in the superlative degree. Okay. Now you see we are going to change it into positive degree and comparative degree. Here in the bracket it is given to change it into comparative degree. But first of all we are going to change it into positive degree. Okay. So let us write down that the blue whale is as big as, no mammal is as big as the blue whale. Okay. No mammal is as big as, no mammal is as big as the blue whale. Okay, so here you see this sentence is in the positive degree. Here we are not comparing. Okay, here we are not comparing. Here we are just saying that no mammal is as big as the blue whale. So only here we are talking about blue whale. No mammal is as big as the blue whale. This sentence is in the positive degree. Okay, here no comparison is being done between anything. Just we are saying that blue whale is the biggest mammal. Okay, next one we will change it into comparative degree. Okay, so the blue whale is big. The blue whale is bigger than other mammals. The blue whale is bigger than other mammals. Okay, you see here this sentence is in the comparative degree. Mammal. This is in the comparative degree. You have to keep in mind how you are changing the sentence into comparative, how you are changing it into superlative. Okay, comparative. You see here the blue whale is bigger. You see here bigger. Then we are using bigger. The word which are used in the comparative degree, bigger. Then is used in the comparative degree. Okay. So the blue whale is bigger than other mammal or other mammals. You can say the blue whale is bigger than other mammals. Okay. Now see the first sentence. The blue whale is the biggest. Just underline the word which describes the degrees. Okay, so biggest here describes the degree. Here in the second sentence, no mammal is as big as the blue whale. Here big describes or modifies, you can say. The blue whale is bigger. Here I have already underlined. Okay, so the blue whale is the biggest mammal. No mammal is as big as the blue whale. The blue whale is bigger than other mammals. Okay, now let us do number 4. See, number 4 you see the tortoise was the slowest in the race. This is in the superlative degree. This sentence is in the superlative degree. Here we have to change in the comparative degree. It is given in the bracket, but we will change in positive as well as comparative. Okay, so number 4 you see. Number 4 you see the tortoise was the slowest in the race. The tortoise was the slowest. How can we understand this is in the superlative degree? Because here we are using the slowest. Okay, in the race. The tortoise was slowest in the race. This is in the superlative degree. You have to write down in which degree the sentence is. Okay, answer. First of all, we will change it into positive degree. Okay, no other animal was as slow as the tortoise. No other animal only you say, because tortoise is an animal. No other animal was as slow as the tortoise. This is in the positive degree. No other animal was as slow as the tortoise. So which word here modifies slow? No other animal was as slow as the tortoise. Okay, now we will do it in the comparative degree. That the tortoise was slower than others in the race. The tortoise, no other animal was as slow. You can say in the race also we can add. Okay, we can add in the race. I did not add in the race. Just a minute. No other animal was as slow as the tortoise in the race. Forgot to add. So let us write down here positive degree. Positive degree. Okay. So next one. Next one is the tortoise was slower. The tortoise was slower than others in the race. See, here we are comparing with others, no? So here the word slower modifies that the tortoise was slower than others in the race. This word actually describes the noun, okay? So this is in the comparative degree. Okay, see once again, the tortoise was the slowest in the race. No other animal was as slow as the tortoise in the race. Or you can say no other was as slow as, that also you can say, but here I am using animal because tortoise is an animal. No other animal was as slow as the tortoise in the race. This is in the positive degree. The tortoise was slower than others in the race. This is in the comparative degree. You see here 5 number, this test is easier than the previous ones. This sentence is in the comparative degree. We have to change it into superlative and positive. See children, here in the bracket whatever is given, but we have to change it in both the degrees. Okay, suppose here superlative degree is given. The sentence is already in the comparative degree. So 1 degree is left, positive degree also we are changing into all the 3 degrees. One sentence we are changing into 2 degrees. So 3 degrees are there with us. All the sentences we are having in the 3 degrees. Okay, number 5, let us see. This test is easier than the previous ones. This test is easier than the previous ones. Okay, this is see easier. This is in the comparative degree. Easier than. This is in the comparative degree. This sentence is in the comparative degree. So first of all, let us do it in the positive degree. Okay, this test is as easy. This test is as easy as the previous ones. Is as easy as the previous ones. This test is as easy as the previous ones. You see easy. This one is in the, this sentence is in the positive degree. Okay. Next number. This test is the easiest. This test is the easiest. This is in the superlative degree. Okay, you please see here the easiest we are using, easiest, along with that we are using the. So this test is the easiest. This is in the superlative degree. This test is easier than the previous ones. This test is as easy as the previous ones. This test is the easiest. Okay. Now number 6. You see number 6 here. Sanju is the cleverest in the class. This sentence is in the superlative degree. Okay. Sanju is the cleverest in the class. Sanju is the cleverest in the class. Please see the cleverest. By here only you can understand that this sentence is in the superlative degree. Okay, Sanju is the cleverest in the class. We have to change it into positive and comparative. First of all, we are going to change it into positive. Sanju is as clever as others in the class. Sanju is as clever as others in the class. As others in the class. So you see here, by clever only we can understand this sentence is in the positive degree. Sanju is as clever as others in the class. Sanju is cleverer than others in the class. Next one. Sanju is cleverer than others in the class. Sanju is the cleverest in the class. Sanju is the cleverest in the class. Sanju, we can say here, no one is as clever as Sanju in the class. No one is as clever as. So we will change the positive degree. Okay. No one will change this one. Just a minute. Sanju is the cleverest in the class. We are talking about Sanju, that he is the cleverest. Okay. So let us do it in the positive degree. Same meaning, we are not going to change. Just we'll put the sentence in the positive degree. So no one is as clever as Sanju in the class. Okay. No one is as clever as Sanju in the class. No one is as clever as Sanju in the class. This is in the positive degree. Okay. Don't write the first sentence. I have erased it. This is the correct one. Okay. No one is as clever as Sanju in the class. Okay. Sanju is, this is in the positive degree. This one is in the superlative degree. This one is in the superlative degree. This is in the positive degree. Sanju is cleverer. Sanju is cleverer than others in the class. This is in the comparative degree. Okay. This is in the comparative degree. Please see once again the last sentence of exercise D. Sanju is the cleverest in the class. Okay, this is in the superlative degree. By the word cleverest only you can understand the cleverest, that this sentence is in the superlative degree. No one is as clever as Sanju in the class. No one is as clever as. By the word clever you can understand. By this adjective you can understand. This sentence is in the positive degree. Sanju is cleverer than others in the class. See, cleverer we are using, then we are using then. This sentence is in the comparative degree. So children, we have completed lesson 6, that is adjectives, degrees of comparison. Here we are comparing 3 degrees: positive, comparative and superlative. In positive degree there is no comparison with anyone, whether it is a thing, a person or an object, whatever it is, there is no comparison. In comparative degree there is comparison between 2 things or 2 nouns, you can say, 2 persons, you can say, whatever. There is a comparison between 2 things, and in superlative more than 2 things there is comparison. You have to keep in mind this. In superlative degree there are more than 2 things when we are comparing. Okay? Thank you. Please go through the lesson.